The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, anticipated for release in early 2026, is poised to set new standards in smartphone innovation. Expected to feature a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, the device promises exceptional clarity and a refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, adapting seamlessly to user activity. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset, built on a 3nm process, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. The camera setup is particularly noteworthy, with leaks suggesting a 200MP main sensor with variable aperture between f/1.4 and f/4.0, complemented by a 50MP ultrawide lens and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, aiming to deliver unparalleled photographic versatility. Battery life is expected to be robust, with a 5,500 mAh capacity supporting 45W wired charging, ensuring quick recharging times. On the software front, the S26 Ultra is likely to debut with Android 16, layered with Samsung's One UI 8.0, introducing enhanced AI features and a refined user interface. While these details are based on current leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable flagship, combining cutting-edge technology with Samsung's commitment to innovation.